KW family, duh!
Hey guys, welcome back to the KW family. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I transformed my small master bedroom. Stay tuned. Okay, I started out by covering my bed and my floors to prepare for paint. I'm using 3 colors by Behr, actually 4 colors. It is Imperial Gray, Weathered White, and Dark Secret. And I also used a matte black that I just had laying around because I started to run out of paint. You are going to need more than just a sample. I would say a quart of each, all in flat paint. Okay, so this is where the magic started. I started out by going in with the gray first. I was layering it lightly with my brush, and I just continue layering it in small sections, and then I built up off of it after that. It's going to be hard to really explain what I did with this. I just kept layering the different colors. So I started out with the Imperial Gray, then I moved on to Dark Secret, and the black is pretty much a black anyway. And I just kept layering and layering between the two until I got it to the color I liked. And then after that, I went in with white and started layering that on as well. And then I went in with my sponge and like dabbed it. I don't know, you just have to kind of watch to see exactly what I did. It's very hard to explain, but it's so easy. I feel like this is just a messy look and it just came out so beautiful in the end. So just keep on watching. I would recommend going around the edges first. I would suggest painting the edges 2 coats before you go in with paint. I think it just makes it a little bit easier. I didn't know what color I was gonna do. I really just winged this whole process. So if you are doing it, I would say go around with the edges first and then go in and layer the colors and then add the white and dab the 3 colors to mix them to make that very spackled look. You just have to watch to see what I'm talking about. Now moving on to my actual bedroom decor. I got this beautiful art piece for my wall months ago from, I believe, Home Goods. It was on clearance for like 25 bucks and I thought it was so nice. I honestly didn't know what I was gonna do with my room. I had no theme picked out and it just worked out great once I started getting the other pieces. I got all my other pieces from Hobby Lobby for when they had all their home decor, all their wall art, I believe, was 50% off. So I got all these pieces from there, and I got this art piece as well as my mirror above my dresser, which you're gonna see, from Home Goods. Now moving on to making my bed. Nothing special here. I just love a made bed. I do wake up and make my bed. It just makes me feel good. It makes me get my day started. and I love when I could just look at my room and know that it's nice and clean and my bed's made. So this is how I make my bed. The pillows are a little old. I love them. The stores aren't open, so I can't go out and pick out new pillows, so this is what I'm working with. But it actually did go really well with my room, even though they're kind of old. My bed is a king size bed. I got my mattress from Amazon from a brand called Classic Brands. It's a 14-inch cool gel infused memory foam mattress. I absolutely love it. I got my headboard or my bed frame from Wayfair. It's like a navy blue with silver. I do like the idea of mixing metals. Most of my room has gold in it, but I still have silver accents in there as well. I'm not like crazy about that. I don't really care. I like mixing metals. So my comforter is from Zulily, my white comforter, and the gray layer you see on top, that one is from Overstock, I believe, the gray fur. My bed is so comfortable. I am obsessed with it. Yeah. Now I'm just fixing these tree petal thing that I got from Pier 1. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I picked them up. They were $12.99, but I got them on sale for about $7 during one of Pier 1's 20% off sales, and I'm obsessed. I think I have about 5 of them and a gold vase that I got on clearance at Pier 1 as well. I'm literally obsessed. And here's the final look of my room. I really hope you enjoyed this makeover. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'm obsessed with this room. I don't think it could have came out better. It's so relaxing. It's very chic and clean, and it's not too much going on. I still need to add a few decor pieces, but I have to wait until the stores open up. But I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.